Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a Python series. You are watching JLabs. Let's get started, okay? So today we are going to learn what is Python, okay? What is what is Python? Python is a simple and easy language, okay? Python is a simple and easy language. It is a simple and easy. And it's a free, okay? So we cannot pay anything to anyone, okay? So it's a very free to use, okay? So we'll get it from internet, and we can download the Python and we can install in our system, and we can directly see, like, as you know, like in last video, like I can able to see the how we can download the Python. We didn't pay any a single rupee to the Python company and some other company, okay? So you're not paying anything to anyone, okay? So it's a open source, and it's free, okay? It is open source and free, okay? So the next is just a high level language, okay? And it is like, guys, like, who has developed Python program, okay? Yeah, it's developed by Gudio and Rosom, okay? So it's developed by when some, like, he's the employee of Microsoft and Google. Okay, like first, like, he was used to work in Google, and later, like, he put paper on Google and joined Microsoft. Okay, and Python is portable. Okay, portable mean like we can develop program in Linux OS, and okay, so we can run that program in some other on the other OS like Windows and all. Okay, so it's not like we cannot run the things. Okay, in suppose it's not like platform specific. Okay, it's a portable. Okay, we can develop and run any source, like any OS. Okay, so that's why we are calling it's a portable. Yeah, like in Python, like what, like if you learn Python, like what is the, like, opportunity to get into the field. Okay, so the opportunity is like to get into the data science AI ML field. Okay, so data science, like a data science. Okay, so AI and ML. Okay, so like also we have we can develop web development. Okay, web development. Actually, we have we have the framework called like Django. Okay, Django. Okay, so by using this Django, we can develop the web side. Okay, we can have, like, we can develop the game as well, like using Python. Okay, these are the things, like many things, like we are, and many more are there. Like I discussed like three. Okay, and let's get started. Like it's a theory part. Okay, so let's get started. Let's jump into the first program in our. Let's print hello world in the Python. Okay, for that, like, as you know, like in last class we have we have installed Visual Studio and Python in our system. Okay, so let's get started that. Okay, able to see my screen, right? So, like, yeah, like, first, like, you need to if you implement like if you implement something like some file, like you need to create some file in that, like you can run something. Okay, first create a program files, like you click on the Python files. Okay, so let's save that. Control S. Okay, you can ask for the RAM, then you can, I had already implemented, just delete that. You can uh, inside that Python. Okay, you can create the Python folder and the first Python program. You can dot py. Py is the extension for the Python. Okay, as you have like a Java have dot Java as extension. So same like a py is the Python extension. Okay, you can save it. Okay, so try to print like a something like a hello world. Okay, hello world. Okay, so like you can run program, you can run the program and you can able to see like the hello world is printing in the console. Okay, so not only like if you print some other word also, like if uh, welcome to the JLabs. Okay, so if you run that and you can able to see like JLabs is printing. Okay, so instead, like apart from this, like we can print the number also. Like let's suppose we can print let's suppose 22. Okay, 22. Yeah, you can able to see like 22 is printing. Let's suppose you can adding something 22 plus 3. Okay, so it will print like a 25. Okay, you can able to see like 25 over here. Okay, let's suppose like you can able to divide, like subtract something. Okay, you can able to see like 19 is there. Okay, you can like you can multiply also, like 3 multiply by 3. Okay, so you can able to see like definitely 9 will be print. Okay, like if you want to, or like 10 divided by 5. Okay, so definitely we can have it like 2. Okay, so like we can able to see the things. Okay, yeah, that's it, all about you. Like in next class we can like learn variables and all. This is for the first class. Okay. Yeah, next we can meet. Thank you.